Alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all good. And today in this video I will show you how to make a wall clock using cardboard. So first of all I will take round cardboard and apply glue and paste cardboard. Like this I will make 4 layers of cardboard. So it will look like this. And after that I will take tissues and glue them around the cardboard. So after that adjust the machine and mark the area. After that I will cut this area with a cutter. Also follow me on Instagram, link is in description box. Don't forget to follow me. Now apply spackling paste like this. Spread it all over the cardboard and give it a good shape. Now using spatula mark the lines and for the wood texture I will use a common pen to make the lines. Make random lines and let it dry. After drying, for the main color I will take a skin color, paint it well. Also paint around the clock. I will take a dark brown color to prominent the lines. After that mark the numbers like this. For the back side, I painted with the black color. I forgot to add this part. Adjust the machine and needles. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. So please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. Soon I will come up with a new video. Bye bye.